the water's frozen. I don't know if it's gonna make it now.
Bok choy. Oh, bok choy. Kel. Where is it? Buried. This is what is this? Cabbage. May you rest in peace. Will it work? I totally don't know. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna work. This is my first experiment with winter sowing. We got like maybe 6 inches, 6 to 8 inches, maybe 10. I don't know. But it's coming down again. First year experimenting winter sowing, and I did it the day before the snowstorm. So I will do a follow-up on it. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Hopefully it works. YouTubers say it works. It does. And I don't know. We will have to wait and see. But in the meantime, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If it turns out great, if it doesn't, it's an experiment. I have tons of seeds left, so we're just gonna do round 2. But we're just gonna cross our fingers, hoping that it will work. It's been so nice. We are enjoying the snow in my eye. We are enjoying the snowstorm. I'm having a blast. I'm out of shape, but we love it. You know, I don't get this at home back in California, and this is our second season of snowstorm, and it's been fun. All right, guys. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this is supposed to be our last day. This is supposed to be our last day of the snowstorm, I guess. Today is Tuesday. So we'll see. If we get more snow, we'll get more snow. But so far, you guys, don't forget to stay safe and keep warm, stay healthy, keep on gardening, keep it on. All right. Okay. Bye. See ya.